I decided to be a volunteer with the Cool House because I want to do my part in generating greater awareness about plant habitats and diversity, and at the same time to also educate people and the wider audience about what Sembcorp is actually doing just beyond our core businesses, and that sustainability truly is our business.
Because I think it's a good chance for me to first to contribute to the sustainability of Singapore, and also do something I can to contribute to the society. And I'm quite interested to pick up some knowledge about the planting.
So I learned how to do gardening practices for the orchid plants. We also did some practical session where we took some plants out of the gardening pots, and then we helped them mount onto the right position so that they can grow on in the future.
I feel that what Sembcorp is doing in the sustainability space is really inspiring, and I just wanted to be able to play my part in the bigger scheme of things.
I think a tour guide not only actually shares more about the Sembcorp Cool House and also the tropical montane orchidatum, but also to actually educate people about the importance of preserving our natural environment, and also to enhance the heritage that we have here in Singapore and for the world to see it. That's why I want more people to know about it, and I want to be a part of it and to bring people through this experience and really embrace it for themselves.
So as part of the SG50 celebrations in 2015, Sembcorp donated $10 million to enhance the Cool House as part of our ongoing commitment to the promotion and conservation of the broader environment. So the end product is a temperature-controlled glasshouse at the National Orchid Garden within the Singapore Botanic Gardens.
The Cool House recreates the habitat of the high-elevation montane forest. You can find one of the largest collections of high-elevation montane orchids in Asia here. The orchid here come from the mountain of 5 key geographical regions where the survival of these orchids are being threatened by the climate change. This allows the conservation of more than 1,000 orchid species and hybrids alongside over 100 plant species. The Cool House provides a temperature-controlled environment which enables some of the species to grow in an environment where they can't grow elsewhere in Singapore. This is important because these species are going into extinction in their natural habitat. The Cool House provides an environment where they can still flourish.
The one thing I found really interesting about the Cool House is that you can really get up close and personal with the plants and see it for yourself. I think that's a very different experience from what we're used to, where we usually see things from a distance. But in this case, what we get today is to be able to see something really so close to you and to be able to view the intricacy of the plants that are here.
The orchids in the Cool House are the most interesting. I really love the diversity in the flora and fauna that we get to see here.